Hi friends, this is Neha. I am here to bring you awareness on black fungus. First of all, what is black fungus? Did you hear this name before times? Now people are discussing it's a life-threatening, deadly, dangerous fungal infection. Is it correct? Yeah, it's a life-threatening, dangerous and deadly fungal infection found in some corona patients after recovery. The mortality rate because of this fungal infection in India is about 45 to 50%. And what are the causes of these fungal infections? Means out of 4 corona patients, 2 will get attacked by these fungal infections. Why? What's the reason behind that? And what is a black fungus? Black fungus is also known as mucormycosis or histomycosis, commonly found in soils, decaying vegetables, and our surroundings. Did you know something? Black fungus is normally found in our surroundings. Daily we inhale and exhale not only these black fungus but many type of infections like bacteria, more fungus. But due to the presence of our immune system, the our immune system fight against those type of deadly viruses or in bacteria or fungus, our immune system throw them out. But due to the usage of high steroids during the corona therapy, our immune system got suppressed. So let's start our episode. Causes of these deadly fungal infections are uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. The patients who are with diabetes and hypertension are more prone to these fungal infections after corona. And prolonged ICU stay. The patients who stayed in ICU during corona therapy are more prone to these fungal infections. Using high doses of steroids during the corona therapy, not only using high doses, high frequency more than the usage, nothing but it's a 2 times a day means some patients are taking 3 times a day and more than that. These are the reasons. And using unpurified waters in oxygen during oxygen therapy to patient. These are some of the reasons that black fungus attacking the patients. After the corona, some patients are not able to take a healthy diet. And these are some of the causes of black fungus. And what are the symptoms of this black fungi are? Swelling of eyes, rhinitis, redness around the eyes, and temperature got increasing. Nothing but fever, shortness of breath, skin lesions which are pain and achy, blurred vision, chest pain. These are some of the common side effects of black fungus. How it can be prevented? Is there any preventive measures to prevent these type of deadly fungal infections? Yeah, these are some of the preventive measures. Checking your blood glucose levels 3 times a day and taking the um, diabetic therapy correctly, you can manage your diabetes and you can prevent the affecting of those type of fungal infections. Steroids should be taken at correct time and correct dose and in the correct duration during the corona therapy. And even now you are using the steroids means you have to take it in the correct time, correct dose. Clean and sterile water should be used in the humidifiers during oxygen therapy. Antibiotics and antifungals should be used correctly. What are the causes we have to what are the causes to these type of fungal infections? We have to rectify those type of causes. Air coolers. Air coolers are the main reasons to grow this type of fungal infections bacteria, because humid conditions are more favorable to the growth of these type of fungal infections. So avoid those type of air coolers and drink hot water. Gargling with salt water, maintaining healthy diet, taking protein food, rich food like nuts, meat, chicken, and avoid coolers, because what I told earlier, humid conditions help those growth. And consuming immune boosters. These are some of the preventive measures, and now we can discuss about some immune boosters. Citrus fruits, which are rich in vitamin C, are help to reduce inflammation and which also boost your immune system. Broccoli, which is rich in vitamin A, C, and E. Green, not only a broccoli, which are all the green leafy vegetables help to fight against uh, these type of deadly infections. Garlic, which is an ancient medicine, helps to fight against these type of deadly infections and reduces inflammation and sore throat, nausea feeling. Garlic, which contains the sulfur containing compounds, will help to fight against infections and reduces inflammation. Ginger, spinach, almond, turmeric, papaya, all these helps to boost your immune system and decreases inflammation. So try to take all these type of foods. And another one is vitamin B6 rich foods like broccoli and avocados are the powerful immune boosters. Try to take all these measures and protect yourself from fungal infections. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.